This video will show you how to add an internal task. Staff can easily record internal maintenance requests in Hotelogix. Let us see how. Select Guest Service. Click on Add Task icon under Job Type. Add Task panel will open. Select Internal as Request Type. Select the work area from where the request has been received. Select Job Type Plumber. Select Service Type, such as Swimming Pool Drain Blocked. Let the status be pending. Add a description, if any. Select the due date and time of the maintenance request. Click OK. Click Task List to view the task status. This brings us to the end of the video on how to add a task internally.